In this video, I'm going to teach you all the tricks that you need to know to change a number to scientific notation. So if we have a problem like this that says convert 77,000 to scientific notation, well, scientific notation takes the following form. It will have a number times 10 and then it'll be a power to the 10. So this is the first factor. The first factor is a number between 1 and 9. And then this is the second factor. The second factor is a power of 10. Okay? So let's start the conversion. So for 77,000, move the decimal point to the left until the number is between 1 and 10. So how does that look? We start moving this decimal place from here left until we have a number here that's between 1 and 9. Okay, so we don't stop here. We don't stop here. We just keep going until we have one digit left. And remember, every number has an imaginary decimal at the end of it. Okay, so now we count how many places you moved the decimal point. So we moved 1, 2, 3, 4. We moved 4 times. So this will be the power of 10. The power of 10 will be 4. Okay? 4 times we moved, so the power of 10 will be 4. So our answer is going to be 7.7, right? Because we have 7.7 here times 10 to the 4. And that's it. That's how you change to scientific notation. It's not very complicated. And don't worry, you could just rewatch the video if you didn't catch that right away. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download the ebook and there's a link there that'll take you right to this video and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Also in the description, there's links there to other videos of mine that are similar to this. And thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.